Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all children? Are you all doing your work regularly? I hope you are practicing all that you are learning from your teachers. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is shapes. Now it's not new for you all, you have been learning about shapes in your previous classes also, right? Today we are going to look into shapes, in little more we are going to learn about shapes, okay? The shapes that we are going to discuss today are rectangle, square, then we have triangle, circle and oval shape. You already know about these shapes, right? What is a rectangle? What do you see over here? A rectangle has four sides, right? It has four sides and the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. Okay, it has four sides and the opposite sides of the rectangle will be equal. Now, example that we can give for rectangle, I have a scale here which is rectangle in shape. Okay, you can see it has four sides and opposite sides of the scale are equal. Same way, I have a paper also which is again rectangle in shape. Opposite sides are equal and how many sides it is having? Four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the examples for rectangle. Okay. The next shape that you see on the board is a square. Now square also has four sides, but how it is different from rectangle? All the four sides of the square are equal. All the sides will have the same length. Okay, so these type of figures we call square shaped figures. Now example for the square, I have a frame over here, a photo frame. Usually find small photo frames in square shape. Okay, all the four sides of this figure are equal in length. Okay, these type of figures we call them square figures. Okay, or square shaped figures. The third shape that we have over here is a triangle. Tri means three. A triangle has three sides. Can you see? 1, 2, 3. A triangle has three sides. A figure that has three sides, a shape that has three sides, we call it a triangle. Okay, you can see this. This is a triangle shape. Okay, this instrument we find it in geometry box, in our maths box, with mathematics box, the geometry box that we have. In that you will find these type of figures. We call it this is triangle in shape. Okay, then the next shape that we have here is a circle. Circle. Have you seen a circle? Girls especially must have seen, right? Do you all like to wear bangles? Your bangle or your finger ring, they are all circle shape, right? See, I have a bangle over here. It is circle shape. Any other example that you can give for a circle? Do you all like to play with the ring? Have you seen a ring which you can throw and catch, right? It is an example for a circle. A hula hoop. Have you seen a hula hoop? You must have seen it in your school, right? When you used to come to school, you must have seen a hula hoop. You must have played with the hula hoops, isn't it? It's another example for the circle. Okay. So the circle is round in shape. Okay, it will be round in shape. It's formed with a curved line. It has no sides, no corners. Okay, it's just a curved line that forms a round shape. We call it circle. Next shape that we have here is oval. Oval again, you can see it is somewhat similar to circle, but it is slightly long. Okay, not like, it's not round like the circle. It is slightly stretched. It's long in shape, right? So this type of figure we call it a oval. Again, the oval is formed with a curved line. Okay. It's not having a straight line. You can see it is having a curved line over here. Can you think of an example for an oval? Have you seen an oval shaped object? Have you ever seen a mirror which is oval shape? Yes, most of the time the small mirrors that we find, they will be in oval shape. Also the badminton racket. Have you seen your brothers or sisters playing badminton? You must have seen the racket. The face of the racket will be oval shape. Okay, these are some of the shapes that we have discussed today. Let us just recall all that we have done. The first shape that we discussed was a rectangle. A rectangle has four sides. right? Opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. The next shape that we discussed was a square. Square also has 4 sides. All the 4 sides of a square are equal. The third shape that we discussed was triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. A figure, if it has 3 sides, a shape that has 3 sides, we call it a triangle. Next we saw a circle. Circle is round in shape. Okay, some of the example for circle are the bangles or the ring or the finger ring that we wear. All these are the examples for circle. Then last we saw oval. Oval also has, oval also has been formed by a curved line. Okay. But it is slightly different from the circle because it is not round. Fine. I hope we will practice and try to find these shapes in your house. Okay. Try to find the objects which are having these shapes. Okay. Inshallah, we will meet very soon with our next topic. Till then, stay at home and be safe. Jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.